Perfect fit closets. How to use accessories, hooks. Underneath the local browser, using the PFC Canada catalog, underneath categories, accessories, hooks, we can find the graphical drag and drop items, the cleat for hooks standalone, the single hook, and the double hook. Also, we have the non-graphical items that we need to use them in the item list. I'll show you how to do it at the end of the video. So now I will proceed to add first my cleat so I can attach my hooks after. So I'll just select the cleat, drag it, drop it in my wall. I will left click. I can see how I can adjust the width of this when I let go or left click one time. I can type in there with using my placements on the width of the model to be 20 inches. Then I'll proceed to maybe just move it a little bit using my dragging tool, and I will go right click and resize the height of that cleat to be 6 inches, and I'll type that there. I can also go right click, attributes, and modify that width and the height in here. I can go a maximum of 12 inches high, and in here, for example, the width is a minimum of 6. I think it's 6 by 3. So that's the minimum of a piece of cleat that we can order. And the max, again, 12 by, if I click in here, it goes up to 96 inches wide. That's the last value. But as I said, I can just type it here that I want a 20 by 6, and that should be okay. So here I see an image of how it looks like that is edge banded on the 4 sides. If I move it around, it comes with, in the general tab, approximate 3 of the flat screws. If I go back to cleat, underneath variables, I can see the dimensions, the catalog name, the description, manufacturer code, height, thickness, they're 3/4 inches thick, and the price, the user code, and more. I will click on apply and OK. I have my cleat, and now I will proceed to add my single hook and a double hook. If I go to my dealer portal, I'm able to see those 2 options there, how they look like, and the finishes available. So the single coat hook, if you click in there, you can find a picture of how they look like and some graphics on the dimensions and more details of this product. Same thing with the double hook. You have all the details, all the dimensions, the material, what it's included, and the use or application. Going back to my 2020 design, I will select the single coat hook. Let me just zoom this in a little bit. Okay, so single coat hook, and I'll just drop it in here. I can see it in the floor plan that is there, and then I will proceed to just zoom out and move it up and down. I will zoom in and place that hook in here, up and down. I'll just put another one in there. I can see in my floor plan kind of where I'm putting that. I'll just drop it there, and again go up, right click, up and down, and move it somewhere here. I can play with like with my placements on to type exactly where I want it to be. For now, I'll just drop them randomly there. And this one, that is my double hook, I will go up and down. Up and down, let's see. It's at the back there, my double hook. Let me just drag it, play a little bit up and down. Sometimes it goes behind and it doesn't show. So now it's just a matter to play a little bit with up and down. And you will be able to see it. Again, you can use your placement zone. Let me see. Yeah, I'll leave it like that for now. If I want to change the material, like the finish of that cleat, I can right click, go to my features and options, select, for example, TFL2, and I want that to be in sheer beauty. As you can see, everything is edge blended. And I can also, instead of going back to the drawing, I can select my hooks in here. I have the single coat hook. I have a quantity of 2. I can maximize that here and select the finish that I want. I want, let's say, those 2 in black. And I'm able to see that double hook polish chrome, the one that I add in the middle. It's only 1. I want to change that one to matte gold and click on OK. It should be changed now. If not, you can always do it manually. If it's only 1 that you want to change, select the specific one, go to features and options, and just change it there. If they're all the same that they typically are, you don't have to select anything. You just go again underneath items, options, and now it's showing multiple because I select different finishes. It's showing the 2 finishes selected, but if you just want everything to be in black, you just select that once again. I'll go to my perspective just to show you how those hooks looks like. In the case I built this for real, I will make this panel half drill so my drilling pattern doesn't show, but we are focused right now in our hooks and the cleat for hooks. Okay. If you have any questions about hooks or cleat for hooks, you can contact us at support@perfectfitcanada.com. And before I finish, there's another way to add hooks. Let's say for your design, you have these 3 inserted there, but you want to add extra ones, or you want them for an existing room that you already did before, or that you just want to simply order more. You can also do that using the non-graphical. So you'll just have to right click, show item list, accessories extra cost, and then go back in here, accessories, hooks, and you're able to add each one in the different colors available. For example, you want 2 in the future to change them all to gold. You want 2 of this, you just type in there the quantity or use the arrows here. So let's say you want 2 in gold and you want 1 of the double one in black, just in case, or more, or 1 of each, whatever you want to do. This is the way to do it, and it will show you there the total price for the quantity of 1 and the quantity of 2. So, as I said, if you have more questions, please contact us at support@perfectfitcanada.com. Thank you.